Hello wonderful lovely people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making this yummy delicious looking jollof rice, yes, with plenty garnishing, Nigerian jollof rice. So at this point I'm frying the fish. I actually steamed the fish and I garnished it with curry powder, salt, seasoning, onion, and as you can see I'm done with the frying. So I have an empty pot. I will then introduce vegetable oil, then chopped onion will follow suit, and then minced tomato. This is actually tomatoes, that's fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper, onion, red bell pepper. I blended the four together. I will then stir and allow it to continue frying. I'll come back to stir again, then get the next ingredients, which is the stock from the fish. I'll introduce it into the pot. Then the next ingredients is crayfish. I was very generous with crayfish, you know. So if you want to have a tasty jollof rice, make sure you are generous with your crayfish. So the next ingredients is curry powder. Actually use Ducros brand to be precise. And the next ingredients is salt for taste. And then the next ingredients is seasoning. I used 4 cubes. I am making 4 cups of jollof, 4 cups of rice. Yeah, it's actually 4 cups of rice. I'll then add enough water that will be able to cook the quantity of jollof rice I'll be making. So I'll cover and allow it. Come back, as you can see it's already boiling. I will take it up and set it aside, then get the chief host of the day, which is rice. I've actually pre-cooked this rice and washed it. So at this point I will introduce the stew on it. As you can see, so at this point I will stir to mix properly. So let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my subscribers, to all my returning subscribers, and to you, my intended subscribers. If you are seeing this video to this moment, by now, what are you waiting for? Have you subscribed? Please do subscribe. Do not miss out. Do not miss out though. What are you waiting for? Or should I bring? Oh, don't worry. In fact, after making this rice, it's coming first to you. Do subscribe, do follow this channel for different videos, and I bet you will not regret. Okay, thank you. I will cover and allow it to continue cooking. Come back after 15 minutes to check on it, and as you can see, it is ready. How? It is ready. It is ready. So I'll be adding the next ingredient, which is the veggies, carrot and green beans. At this point there, wherever you are, start getting ready because it's about to get down. It's about to get down. You see, this food is for all my subscribers, for all my subscribers and all my intended subscribers. So if you are still contemplating whether to subscribe or not, should I follow this page or not, please do subscribe, do follow me, and I bet you will not regret it. And you see this plate is for all my subscribers and my followers. Yes, it is for you. This place is for you. And to all my intended subscribers, this plate is for you. And to everyone watching this video to this moment, this plate is for you. And to you still contemplating whether to subscribe or not, take this one so that you can subscribe and follow this page, okay? And at this point I have nothing to say but thank you so much. Thank you for always subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, thank you for staying tuned on this page. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much, but do subscribe, okay?